Hello again, everyone. This is the City of Williamsport Facebook page coming to you today, February 17th, Thursday, February 17th, from the top of the St. Mark's Lutheran Church Parish House. We are looking west over the Susquehanna River and the junction of Market Street and 180. This is for you out-of-towners, this is the brand new bridge that connects Williamsport to South Williamsport over the Susquehanna. We wanted to share with you some of the new construction that's going on here. As you can see, this is Market Street. As we look west over the Holiday Inn and the Hampton Inn, and farther west is Wegmans. You can see the Citizens Northern Bank and the new construction of the new transportation building. And farther north will be the home of the new Marriott Hotel, which is just south of the Merrill Lynch building on West 3rd Street. As I said before, we are on top of the St. Mark's Church Parish House roof, and I wanted to introduce you to the pastor here at St. Mark's. Thank you very much for letting us use the roof. As you can see, we're about 4 stories up. Pastor Elkin, can you tell us a little bit about the St. Mark's Church?
St. Mark's Church has been here for quite a long time. 1852 is when we were founded. And St. Mark's has always been at the crossroads of transportation here in Williamsport, the crossroads of all sorts of things going on. And not just in history with all of the lumbering things and so on of a century ago, but activities these days. One of which is Family Promise of Lycoming County, which we're instrumental in getting underway. Been in operation now for 7 months. We're delighted about that. One of the ways that we're supporting that is by way of Iron Chef Williamsport. That competition is coming up at the next in the next month. It's going to be a great time, great competition, great cause, and so welcome to everyone for your part in all of the things around Williamsport.
What's your favorite thing about Williamsport?
It's a beautiful place, a beautiful valley, wonderful people. It's an exciting place to be.
Thank you, Pastor.